Today we're gonna sketch with those markers with Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Berk Kaplan, I'm a car designer, and today I'm gonna show you in 10 minutes how to sketch this Audi station wagon. For this sketch I used Audi chart park markers. I really like them. They really keep ink on the paper and ballpoint pen doesn't bleed when you use them. That's the advantage of these markers in my opinion. This video is not like a step-by-step tutorial for marker sketching. I want to hear your questions about marker sketching, so this way I can answer them on my next video while showing you all the tips and tricks of the marker sketching. And for this sketch I used my Car Design 101 template pack from my car design course. You can find all the links in the description. One of the most common questions is which type of paper I use. And as you see, it's totally printed my templates on it. It's like a standard photocopy paper and it's totally fine with the markers. If you want, of course, you can use marker pads and stuff, but to be honest, I almost never use them. So let's start the sketch. I hope you liked the video. As I said at the beginning of this video, if you have any questions about marker sketching, please let me know, because I will make another YouTube video that I will show you step by step how I use marker. I will talk at the same time. And if you don't know my car design sketching course yet, I highly recommend you to take it, because there I talk more than 2 hours in sketching at the same time and showing you all the tricks to sketch like a professional car designer. If you already know me, it was great to see you again. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you, and see you on the next time.